Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Mercier, Quebec is a charming town, nestled in the Montérégie region, just southwest of Montreal. Known for its tranquil atmosphere and welcoming community, Mercier is a perfect mix of small-town charm and modern convenience. Mercier was originally known as Saint-Philomène de Châteauguay. It was renamed after Honoré Mercier, a prominent Quebec premier in the late 19th century, who championed provincial autonomy. Today, the town proudly reflects its rich history while continuing to grow and thrive. A highlight of Mercier's heritage is the Saint-Philomène Church, a historic landmark that speaks to the town's deep cultural and spiritual roots. The preservation of historical buildings here reflects the pride of its residents and their shared past. One of Mercier's key strengths is its strategic location. It serves as a gateway to both the bustling city life of Montreal and the peaceful countryside of Montérégie. This balance makes it an appealing destination for both visitors and new residents. For nature lovers, the surrounding area offers plenty of outdoor activities. Whether it's a stroll through nearby parks or enjoying the beauty of the Chateauguay River, there's something for everyone. Thank you for joining us as we explored Mercier, a town where history, community, and nature come together beautifully.
Thanks for watching!